Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to customize your intro and outro scene in Pictory. So let's get started. Step 1. Begin by clicking on the Branding tab. Activate the intro and outro scenes to unlock the world of customization. Now that you have enabled the intro and outro scenes, let's dive into customization. Step 2. Add your unique touch by incorporating your visuals. Click Upload Video Clip or Image to seamlessly import visuals from your PC, or choose from the Pictory library by clicking Import from Visuals for an array of stunning options. Step 3. Elevate your brand further by integrating your logo into the intro scene and just click on Upload Logo. Step 4. Embrace personalization by adding your own text. Modify the text box below to convey your message uniquely. Step 5. Don't forget your outro. Click on the Outro tab to upload visuals, logo, and text, ensuring a captivating end to your video. That's it. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.